All right, guys. Hi, this is Mr. H. Hey, I just wanted to go through and I wanted to try another video on explaining the completing the square. So basically what I have here is I have a quadratic equation and they want me to figure out what number I need to add to the left in order to complete the square. So let me write this down and then I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do in order to solve this. So now go to my iPad. So you see, I just wrote that down. First thing you're going to do always is you want to get the x's by themselves. So we just subtract 4 from both sides to get rid of this 4 on this side. So it's going to be x squared plus 5x equals a negative 4. Okay, now you're just going to take this middle term and you're going to split it in half. So it's going to be 5 divided by 2. That's called splitting it in half. And then what you're going to do is you're going to square that. So this is going to be 5 squared over 2 squared, which is 25 over 4. And that's what you're going to add to the left-hand side in order to complete the square. That's what you need in order to take this quadratic and make it a perfect trinomial. Now, whatever you do to the left side, you got to do to the right side. So since I added 25/4 to the left, I got to add 25/4 to the right. But in order to make this a perfect trinomial, perfect square trinomial, you have to add 25/4. So that's what I would put in here, 25/4. That's what I needed to add. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, so this one, you see we have another quadratic, x squared plus 20x plus 28 equals 0. Let's go to the iPad now. So what I'm going to do, first thing, get this 28 and move it to the other side. So I have x squared plus 20x equals a negative 28. Now, what I'm going to do now is I am going to take the middle term and I'm going to divide it in half. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. And then you take that and you square it and you get 100. So that's what I'm going to add to both sides. Now, this is now a perfect square. And in fact, I can factor it. It'll be x plus 10 squared equals, what is this? 100 minus 28 is going to be 72. And then, so this is what I needed to add to both sides. So that's what I would put down here. I would put 100 is what I need to add. Okay, next. Same thing. You just take the middle term, divide it by 2, and that's going to be 3.5, and then you square it. I'm going to leave it as, I'm going to do it this way. So we take this 7, we split it in half, so it's going to be 7 over 2, and then you square it. That's what we add. So it's going to be 49 over 4. And that would be our answer. So I come down here and I put 49 divided by 4. And it says, good job. So let me get rid of this now. Where is, yeah, clear. All right, so what we got? Let's do one more. All right, this one, we got a negative 9. So what we're going to do is we're going to come here. Let me get my pen. We're going to take this negative 9 and we're going to split it in half. So it's going to be negative 9 over 2. Now you can leave it as a fraction or you can make it in a decimal. So it's going to be a negative 4.5. And then what I need to do is I need to square this. So if I square this, let's get the calculator so you can see what I'm doing. So the calculator is right here. So I'm just going to do 4.5 Well, actually, let's do it this way. Make sure to clear. Parentheses, a negative 4.5 squared. And that is 20.25. So if I come here, that's 20.25. That's correct. All right, so let me erase this. Clear drawings. All right, I'm gonna stop. That's the first one, find the complete square constant. That's all you're doing. Taking the middle term, splitting it in half like this, and then you square it. So let's go here and let's end it.